Hi guys. So I am basically planning to color my hair today, and I kind of made up my mind some time back, like a few months ago. You can see they are absolutely uncolored and they're pretty shiny. I just hope I do not mess them up. But yeah, the last time I colored my hair was about exactly 2 years, 2 months ago. So I think itna to like karna banta hai. So yeah, just keep on watching, and I hope that this experiment works out well. I'm following another vlogger's वीडियो और हर वे ऑफ डूइंग इट, बल्कि मैंने बिल्कुल ही सेम कलर उन्हीं का देख के करा है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई विल बी यूजिंग स्ट्रीक्स का. इट्स द सॉफ्ट, I don't know whether you can see, but it's the soft blonde shade. So there's a vibrant blonde as well, but I didn't want to go all out. मेरे को लगा कि वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा ब्राइट हो जाएगा, तो पहले इससे ट्राई मारते हैं. And I'm nervous. Okay, so I'll just show you guys what all I have over here और मैंने क्या क्या ready करके रखा हुआ है. So yeah. And also please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and the thumbs up button right below the video so that you can keep getting the updates on whatever I'm posting. And yeah, let's get started. So basically this is what I have. मैंने एक कैंची रख ली है यहाँ just in case. ये streaks अब तो आपको दिख ही जाएगा, but this is the color that I'm planning to apply. And these two, but I've also gotten an extra two, so I basically have 4 in all. Like everyone basically mentioned that 2-3 तो कम पड़ रहे हैं, तो मैंने 2 या 1 एक्स्ट्रा मंगा ही लिया है. Since you can see my hair is pretty long, I'd say. And all those people who had put up those videos, their hair was like till here and they were doing just the highlights and all. तो मैंने काफ़ी एक्स्ट्रा मंगा लिए है. उसके अलावा इसके अंदर वैसे ग्लव्स आते हैं, बट मैंने जब भी पहले करा है दैट वो ग्लव्स इतने ज़्यादा कड़क और इरिटेटिंग होते हैं कि एप्लीकेशन में काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है. सो मैंने नाउ आई डोंट नो दिस कुड बी अ मेस अप, बट मैंने अपने जो रबर ग्लव्स वैसे ही घर पे पड़े थे वो भी ले रख लिए. एंड अंदर देयर इज गोना बी एन एप्लीकेशन ब्रश, बट स्टिल आई हैव दिस वन, सो आई एम जस्ट गोना कीप इट इन केस आई नीड इट. ऑब्वियसली लाइक क्लिप्स, ये तो बहुत काम आएंगी. दिस वन, दिस thin comb so that I can make the partings and pull out strands of hair for my highlights. अभी सुनने में तो प्लानिंग बहुत ही अच्छी लग रही है, जो आगे होगा वो हमें पता लगेगा. So oh yes, and this also. So I have this foil जिसको जब हम कलर अप्लाई करेंगे उसके बाद फ्रॉम वट एवर रिसर्च आई हैव डन, when we put the foil, color payoff better आएगा because of some chemical reason that I don't know. It keeps the heat intact or what. And yeah, I have a taulia, a duster, and of course like a bowl, a mixing bowl, and a non-steel bowl. That's very important since these colors have bleach in them. So my feelings are somewhere between extreme excitement and extreme nervousness. And मेरे प्लान्स तो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक मैं पहली बार कर रही हूँ. मैंने एटलीस्ट लाइक 5-6 बार अपने खुद के बाल कलर कर रहे हैं, और फॉर्चुनेटली एंड टच वुड कभी ऐसा कोई मैसअप नहीं हुआ है. बट आई एम स्टिल नर्वस. थोड़ी नर्वसनेस तो आई थिंक काफ़ी नॉर्मल है, बट या काफ़ी ज़्यादा नर्वसनेस एक्चुअली. सो द the YouTuber I watched, she basically did a balayage kind of a thing where she colored this part, but also took strands and put a bit ऊपर ऊपर. और तो मैं वही फॉलो करने की कोशिश करने वाली हूँ. And let's see. I just hope I do not burn my hair. I'm on my third pack. This much hair is left. अब मैंने लगा लिया है and like for 30 minutes I have to keep it on. Even though like the manual said that 15 मिनट में application कर लो किसी तरह, but I think I took longer than that. So I just hope जो मैंने शुरू में करे थे कहीं वो ये वाले strands ज़्यादा damage ना हो जाए, ज़्यादा bleach ना हो जाए. But yeah, I've made quite a mess. I in all like used 3 packs. So मैंने नीचे के strands तो सारे ही कर लिए. And yeah, so if you have my length hair, then you're gonna need at least minimum 3 strands. Sorry, 3. Really lost. 3 packs. 3 packs. I'm so nervous that मेरा दिमाग बस वो चल रहा है कि किसी तरह मैं बस शैम्पू करूँ और रिजल्ट देखूँ इसका. सो या, होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट. ऑल्सो माई फॉइलिंग स्किल्स आर सो शिट. मैंने पहली बार लाइक फॉइल के साथ कर रहा है एंड it's not the easiest thing to do if you're doing it alone, quite frankly. Like, especially with gloves on. But this one thing that really worked in my favor, I don't know whether it's ruined the gloves. The gloves that I showed you in the beginning, the rubber ones, I use those instead of ये जो plastic वाले streaks के आते हैं. तो उससे ना थोड़ा control over कहाँ पे color लगाना है थोड़ा better था. So all of this got used up. I did this one jaldi and then I did this one late, तो ये थोड़े से मेरे को darker लग रहे हैं, like less colored as compared to these. So I'll just let them be like for another 5-10 minutes. And I've washed the color out. Doing this, I'm back here with my colored hair after about 1 week plus 2 days of coloring my hair. So I think I'd already in the last clip shown you when I did my curly girl method and my hair was still kind of cast in the gel. It was kind of wet. तो तब मैंने आपको दिखाया था what the hair color looked like, but this is what my hair looks like now. This is my natural color going into this blonde sort of a color. So yeah, I just have like really mixed feelings about it. Not right now, like right now I'm happy with it, but when I did color my hair, the next day I had posted on my Instagram also, I was in a pool of tears. Like I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm really happy with the outcome now, but the color has changed over the last 10 days. And at that time when I did color them, they firstly became extremely dry like straw. And apart from that, like अभी फिलहाल थोड़ी like orangish सी tinge है. Again, like I haven't set my hair or anything, like it's just natural hair, but which is why the frizz and all of that. But right now there's like this orangish tinge, and at that time it was this, there was a yellowish tinge. Like I can't explain it. It looked like my hair had gotten burnt, even though that was not really the case. So basically, उस time पे the hair got extremely dry and frizzy, and I couldn't even get the comb through my hair. And I freaked out at that time. I was like, जितना भी मैंने time invest करा है through these years, like 1.5 years of like moisturizing my hair, doing the hair mask and everything, I freaked out in that moment. I was like, I have messed up my hair. It's over now. अब जब तक ये color उग के बाहर नहीं जाएगा, my hair is not going to go back to being normal. So fortunately, after crying the entire night, the next day I got up and I was just like, I'm going to do my regular girly girl method thing and at least start to replenish the hair. And fortunately, when I got out of my bath, my hair air dried normally. The hair went back into like forming curls and it was shining. And I'd say like 2-3 बार मेरे को करना पड़ा है for it to actually regain slight sheen or shine or whatever. But otherwise, I don't know, like बीच में मैं सोच रही थी, should I just like color them now into a burgundy or a wine or a plum, because plum is something, a hair color I've wanted since a very long time. So I was just like, a blonde तो हो ही गए हैं, तो might as well like color them into this thing. I mean, basically bleach is what damages the hair majorly. So I was like, okay, I can't walk around with like almost yellow tinged hair. So yeah, it's taken a week or so for the color to actually accurately show up on my hair. But I get a feeling. Oh, also, did I mention this? Like, I basically मैंने basically overrun कर लिया time. The color manual said that apply all the hair color within 15 minutes, and all of this part, I don't know whether it's more saturated with color or not, but this part मैं आराम से, like I was doing the application and I most definitely, I started with this part and then went on to this part. So this side to most definitely I did way more than I would have kept it on for way more than half an hour. So in that sense, I'm lucky that no major damage happened. But yeah, I'm just, I don't know. Like, tell me what you guys feel about my before and after. Let me know what you feel about this color. But my opinion would be that I get a feeling that L'Oreal highlights, even though they are more expensive, slightly more expensive, but I get a better feeling about that color than Streaks. Not the color shade, but in terms of like the hair dryness and the damage, मेरे को काफ़ी ध्यान रखना पड़ रहा है of my hair, because I do feel like Streaks is slightly more drying out, and सबके बालों पे अलग होता है. I've also tried Be Blunt. The last time I tried L'Oreal highlights, and this time is Streaks. So my favorite up until now has been L'Oreal, but this major blunder happened. So I basically recorded the entire application, the color application part, and वो record नहीं हुआ, वो save नहीं हुआ. So record तो हो रहा था पर वो save नहीं हुआ. So I don't know. Like, I don't know how else I could explain to you guys how I really applied the hair color. I very strictly followed this other vlogger's video on her applying the same hair color. So I'll I guess I'll just like add it to the description box below or whatever. And apart from that, like, I used foil, you saw in the previous clipping, and I sucked at applying foil. Foil is so difficult to apply if you're doing it on your own hair, like to apply in a neat manner. But what I mostly like did was that I pretty much use my hands all through. एप्लीकेशन मैंने ब्रश से करी, मैंने थोड़ा सा हाथों में लेके ऊपर, और फिर उसके बाद लाइक मोर कलर एंड देन मोर सो ऑन द bottom bits. But yeah, like, I went pretty high above compared to the video of the girl that I was watching. So if you can see, like, यहाँ तक तो है ही है, और सामने की तरफ मैंने और ज़्यादा ऊपर तक रखा है. तो यार, let me know how this looks. I'm still like 5% like confused about what I feel about it, but I think this color is starting to grow on me. If I can like reverse the hair damage situation, then I'm happy with this color at least for a few more, I don't know, month and a half. But now that they are blonde, that also kind of opens up the possibility of me choosing a plum or a burgundy or whatever. But देखते हैं, I might do that later. But right now I'm kind of happy with this. It looks pretty nice in the sunlight and the daylight. So guys, do subscribe to my channel, do comment below, let me know if you like the before, like when I hadn't colored my hair, or the after. And a change is always nice. So like, I know that coloring isn't the best possible thing to do to your hair, but ठीक है, उग जाते हैं बाल यार, and it's like something that's fun to do. At least I really look forward to it. So yeah, do like my video, do share it with your friends. I hope this video helps you if you're planning to go in with this hair color of the same brand. And pretty much I posted this because of the fact that I wanted to see the shade, the soft blonde, actually show up on Indian hair, so that I could gauge what my hair would look like. And a few videos really helped me, so I thought of uploading this. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.